We never late. Ask Tom Kearney about us. Hello, my name is Roberto. I've been working here in the Frames Department, Welding Department, for like 16 years. When I started working here, it was only 3. Just doing frames, cut and bending. This is how many we was doing per period. Or, yeah, 2 guys, 6 hours, we was doing 50. That was our goal. Now we're doing 50 in 1 period with 2 guys. Oh, we get the better drawings now, a lot better. Yeah, out of computer, not just my drawings. It is a big difference now. It is a lot better. Makes my life a lot easier now. And the quality, it's a lot better now. We don't have to worry about our degrees for all the tops. We just gotta hit the button and the machine gives me what I need. They like to have everything in time and the right quality all the time. Like the best that we can do all the time, that's what we do.